Hello. We're still working on equilibrium constants, and this question just seems to be about messing with us by using weird units. Notice they're talking about kilomoles per liter in a couple of places. There are no specific units built into an equilibrium constant. Remember, they don't have those, but I'm going to turn everything into moles per liter just because that's normal. It's what I'm used to working with, and I don't want to be weirded out by these numbers and worrying if I'm handling them right. So, before we get going, the equilibrium law or the reaction ratio for this thing is just the concentration of PCl3 times the concentration of chlorine, those are our two products, over the concentration of PCl5, phosphorus pentachloride. All of these have coefficients of 1, so all of these have powers of 1, that's easy, and the equilibrium constant is this, which is 0.042. So before any experiment even starts, we know that much. Now, they tell us at equilibrium the PCl3 is unknown, so I'll just call that X. Sorry, this pen's too thin. It looks a little yucky. X times the concentration of chlorine is 0.049 kilomoles per liter, which is, shift the decimal 3 times, 49 moles per liter. So X times 49 divided by, shift this 3 times and we get 12 moles per liter. And all that has to come out to 0.042. That's our constant. So if we want X alone, right now it's divided by 12 and multiplied by 49. If we multiply by 12 on both sides, the 12s will cancel. If we divide by 49 on both sides, the 49s will cancel. So 0.042 times 12 divided by 49 will give us the value of X. If all goes well, 0.042 times 12 divided by 49, I get 0.0103 moles per liter. Looks like there's an edit in my future, but kilomoles per liter, yeah, that's 49, that's 12. Yeah, I feel confident about what's happened here, so this should be correct, and pretend you don't see this. I'll have to make that go away. Which of the following changes will affect the value of a system's equilibrium constant? You can do things to work around the equilibrium constant by adding substances or changing the pressure or whatever, but the only one of these that does anything to the constant, remember, is warm it up or cool it down. So they seem to want you to know that. That seems like they like that piece of information and they might put it in as a test question. So put that on your study list, maybe.